Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to fill and crumb coat a cake. So for this I'm going to be using a medium consistency buttercream, an assortment of spatulas, a small turntable, a cake card and some filling. And as you can see, I have my cakes already wrapped in plastic wrap, and this was just to keep the moisture in while I was getting everything set up to decorate. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of buttercream to my cake board, and this is just to keep the cake in place whilst I'm working on it. And you just want to give that a nice press down, make sure it's central as well. So next I'm going to start adding my filling, and for this I'm using a thin layer of buttercream, and this is just to keep the layers together. You could also pipe this on if you prefer. And let's get that sped up. Next I'm going to add a small amount of homemade strawberry jam. You could also use curd or ganache, but just bear in mind if you are using a runnier filling, you would want to pipe a dam of icing around the cake to make sure that the filling stays in place when you add your next layer. So let's go ahead and repeat the process. And then we're going to put our final layer on top. And now we can start working on our crumb coat. So a crumb coat is essentially a thin layer of icing that you apply to your cake, which acts as a base to hold all of those crumbs in on your cake so that they don't show in your final coat. And this is a good technique whether you're covering your cake in buttercream or if you're going to add fondant on top as well. And what you want to make sure you do is always have plenty of icing on your spatula. Make sure that you keep straightening your cake as it will move slightly while you do this. And the turntable is there just to help you when you need to turn that cake. So keep working your way around until all the areas are covered. We're not looking for a perfectly covered cake at this stage, just enough icing to keep all those crumbs in place. And we're just going to give it one final smooth with a straight edge spatula and clean off the top of the cake as well. And there we go, our cake is all ready to go in the fridge to firm up before we start decorating. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.